Water. And what is this? This is called a spatula. Spatula. And this is salt. All of you. Salt. Pour some salt in the water. Due amount. Mix it. What is happening? The salt gets dissolves in the water. So what we can see that the salt is soluble. Soluble. Now let's do the same with the soil in the water. And again you have to